Hello all, this is CryptoLine. In today's video review, I'd like to tell you about a project called Wood. First, we'll get acquainted with the project, learn about its main features and benefits, and make sure why CryptWOOD is a growing global network. Have a seat as we begin. What is Wood? Wood is a private, decentralized, open-source cryptocurrency that allows every user to participate in the growth of the CryptWOOD network. Privacy and security are naturally associated with the use of the Wood coin. The project is one of the best solutions for those who wish to maintain their financial privacy. In simple words, Wood is digital money that can be used anywhere and anytime. With Wood, you can pay instantly for private payments online or in-store using a secure, open-source platform that is supported by more than thousands of users worldwide. Instant private transactions are provided by the CryptWOOD network worldwide, are untraceable and require no additional fees. Wood is tied to the internet and is therefore international by default. The advantages of Wood. The main advantages of Wood are affordability, speed, confidence, and low transaction fees. The project is linked via payment networks and also combines instant transfers and confidence, as there is the ability to track funds in real time. Also, the company has its own wallet, which you can install by clicking on the link on the official website of the project. The wallet itself is already protected during the transaction process, and its security does not depend on the reliability of the network. The coin is completely anonymous and privacy-oriented. Undoubtedly, as stated before, the ultra-fast contactless transactions are one of the main advantages of the project, and the new technology will make the transactions even easier for the end users. And an additional plus is the fairly active development team with many participants in the project. Evolution and purpose of the project. The project is focused on making digital currency so easy to use that even your grandparents can use them. The CryptWOOD evolution will allow you to register and access Limecoin from any device and easily make transactions with PayPal in a fully decentralized way. Limecoin aims to create a viable data marketplace that will start returning value to token holders as soon as possible. Features of Wood. Users can participate in the network themselves by dedicating the processing power of their computer. Thanks to this mechanism, transaction processing is decentralized, allowing one to be a user as well as a participant. Moreover, transactions between users of the Wood coin are carried out over the internet, making the transactions more secure. It is worth noting that Wood coins do not have a deflationary problem. The issuance decreases slowly, which protects the currency from economic shocks. Wood coin issuance is an open process. Any user can join the Wood coin network and participate in the issuing process, thus becoming a miner. The project has a GPU-compatible miner software, which you can also download from the project website. A growing global network. CryptWOOD is rapidly gaining popularity among the cryptocurrency community. Many real companies and exchanges have already adopted Wood coin, among them Bitfinex, Bittrex, and Poloniex, and this is just the beginning. The total number of companies that have accepted Wood is over 180. Incidentally, Wood will also be listed on HOTBIT. The market value of Wood. The price of the Wood coin currently stands at $50.27, while volume in the last 24 hours stands at $12,068. Conclusion. And that concludes my review of the Wood project. Write what you think about this project in the comments. I will be interested to read every comment. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. And this is where I say goodbye to you. Thank you all for watching. It's been CryptoLine with you. See you soon.